To start creating your own tracker, go to create.towerstats.com and press Launch Builder. After pressing Create Tracker and entering a game link, press the blue button. You can change the game name for the tracker. The primary obby type is the most common obby that your game includes. Enter the URL you want your tracker to have on TowerStats. You can select one of the game thumbnails for the main image. For tower data, there is a template linked in the description of this video. Start by making a copy of the template. The name does not matter. Once you have that, make sure you share it to anyone with the link. Start with the first 3 columns. Area names should begin with 1 hashtag, while subrealm names should begin with 2. Once you understand that, we recommend copying an empty cell and pasting it to the rest of the areas to delete them for now. Once you have one area, you can add tower info and duplicate it later for other areas. Now that that's done, let's talk about length indicators. If a tower doesn't have one, you can put a dash or 0. Otherwise, put the integer value. The default unit is minutes, but you can use seconds or hours as well. In special cases where the length indicates something less than a time, make the integer negative. Leave the type and badge columns empty for now. For the difficulty key, you can customize it however you'd like. If your game follows traditional difficulties, skip this part. You can add and remove difficulties, change their names and colors, and even add an outline if needed by changing their border colors. Once everything is done, copy the link and paste it into the builder. Once the data loads, verify that the information looks correct. On the next page, you'll see all the tower types that we detected. If any of these are incorrect, manually enter the type on the spreadsheet and run it again on page 2. The next page is for badges. If you see a tower listed, you need to manually add the badge ID for that on the spreadsheet, and run it again on page 2. Once all the badges are found, you're good to move on. The next page is straightforward. Lastly, define the area unlock requirements as integers. After everything is done, you will be presented with a preview. Thank you.